EPS teleclass.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to DPS Teleclass. I am Chaira Miss and I am here to take a maths class for grade 6 students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Are you all ready with all the materials? Okay, so before beginning the lesson, let's read the dua for knowledge.
رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي رب زدني علما.
Today's topic is fraction. Let's see the learning intention and success criteria for today's lesson. Today we are going to learn about fraction and the success criteria. You will be successful if you can answer at least 5 questions correctly from the given quiz questions. Before going to the quiz, let's recall what is fraction. Fraction names a part of whole. When a shape is divided into two equal parts, each part is called a half. And when a shape is divided into three equal parts, each part is called a third. When a shape is divided into four equal parts, each part is called fourth or a quarter. Let's recall equivalent fraction. Equivalent fractions are different fractions that have the same value or represent same part of a whole. Models represent equivalent fractions if they have the same shape, size and shaded area. Can you see two models here? In the first model, 5 parts out of 10 equal parts are shaded. So, it represents the fraction 5 by 10. And in the second model, 4 parts out of 8 equal parts are shaded. So, it represents the fraction 4 by 8. Now observe that both the models have the same shape and size. Also, the shaded part of the two models are same. This means 5 by 10 is equal to 4 by 8. Now, let's see ordering of fractions. Let's order these fractions from least to greatest. 1 by 5, 4 by 5 and 2 by 5. Here, do you notice that the fractions have same denominators? We know that if the denominators of fractions are same, the fraction with the larger numerator is greater. So compare the numerators 1, 4 and 2. Here 4 is greater than 2 and 2 is greater than 1. So the given fractions can be ordered from least to greatest as 1 by 5, 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. Students, now it's your quiz time. In this quiz, you are going to have 15 questions. For each question, there will be options given. You are going to have this quiz about what we have learned about fractions up to now. Question 1. Change 26 by 3 to a mixed number. Option A 2 and 6 by 3, B 4 and 1 by 4, C 7 and 2 by 3, D 8 and 2 by 3. You will get 30 seconds to write your answer. Question 2. Change 19 by 4 to a mixed number. A 4 and 3 by 4, B 1 and 9 by 4, C 9 and 1 by 4, D 4 by 9. Let's move on to question number 3. Which fraction is equal to 1 by 2? A 4 by 8, B 2 by 2, C 3 by 4. Now guess the correct answer. Here is your question number 4. What fraction equals 1 whole? Option A 1 half, B 3 by 6, C 8 by 8. Now guess the correct answer. Question number 5. Which fractions are in order from least to greatest? A, B or C? Question number 6. What is an equivalent fraction for 4 by 4? A 4 by 1, B 2 by 2, C 1 by 4, D. 5 by 6. Question number 7. What fraction of the rectangle is blue? A. 1 by 6. B. 2 by 3. C. 2 by 6. Let's move on to question number 8. Which picture shows 2 by 8? A. Purple. B. Pink. C. Green. D. Blue. Question number 9. What fraction is green? A. 1 by 4. B. 2 by 3. C. 1 by 2. Or D. 2 by 4. Question number 10. Do the given models represent equivalent fractions? You have to guess whether it is yes or no. Question number 11. What is the reciprocal of 9 by 17? A. 7 by 19. B. 17 by 9. C. 9 by 17. Question number 12. Identify the fraction model which shows equal parts. Option A, B or C. Question number 13. 1 and 1 by 8 plus 2 and 3 by 4 is equal to option A 3 and 7 by 8, B 24 by 12, C 15 by 8. Question number 14. 3 by 8 divided by 3 by 4 is equal to A 12 by 24, B 24 by 12, C 15 by 8. Here is your last question, question number 15. 5 divided by 2 by 5 is equal to A 10 by 5, B 2, C 25 by 2. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you all enjoyed the lesson. Remember to submit your work on Sunday. Stay safe, stay home. Wassalamu alaikum. Bye bye.
UPS Teleclass